These are the MCQs from the unit Human Physiology, chapter Digestion and Absorption. Jaundice is a disorder of option A, excretory system, B, skin and eyes, C, digestive system, D, circulatory system. Option C, digestive system. Question number 2. Two friends are eating together on a dining table. One of them suddenly starts coughing while swallowing some food. This coughing would have been due to improper movement of option A, epiglottis, B, neck, C, tongue, D, diaphragm. Answer option A, epiglottis. Which one of the following pairs of food components in humans reaches the stomach totally undigested? Option A, starch and fat, B, fat and cellulose, C, starch and cellulose, D, protein and starch. Answer option B, fat and cellulose. Baby boy aged 2 years is admitted to play school and passes through a dental checkup. The dentist observed that the boy had 20 teeth. Which teeth were absent? Option A, canine, B, premolar, C, molar, D, incisor. Answer option B, premolar. The initial step in the digestion of milk in human is carried out by option A, lipase, B, trypsin, C, renin, D, pepsin. Answer option C, renin.